carving long live kelang ratun doan. Pini carving long live studio long. Penana ni dinglo nilitum studio long lapuson alitum manchu pape. Same nilitum bange unan ke ahem mate alang litum arongan sinitum homli dam. Sane nilitum pini bange kopai keme alang lipen by telephone singki se tham masih alang li studio an si bange pop masing ke miong cholo pulo. Nililong pini haluhi kacu papo na teng polo te litum multi talented pusi nilitum hogdam ji ate malang li ke thega sondo alang li ke makeup artist lamarjan pini long same choreographer dam alang li ke chipaduk dun o la pen film society long same penang chipaduk bang phil pen alang li ke news ta anchor di klema bang phil alang li penang field visit lapen media along same alang li kaki mata nang chipaduk dun o bang phi apen anpada alang li ge non head jong labang so Falcon Grand Falcon labang so Miss Grand Falcon podi 2024 labang so kachepate lo ilitum karbipi asitame alang li ajoy ni itung karbing long arar phan isi nong me nang wan pilo pena hemasor dumantai si nong me wan pilo la pen ke alang li ke thega son du posi la bangso platform long same alang li itung han nong me nang wan pilo la pe first of all welcome to our studio and congratulations for being adjudged as the second runners up of Miss Grand Falcon 2024. So before we start our conversations, introduce yourself to the audience.
Okay. First of all, Kardom, my name is Britney Ingtipi, and I'm from Difu itself. I come from Serlongjon, and then my mother name is Sumita Terangpi, and my father name is Noksa Ingtipi. And yeah, I'm very blessed and honored that like Karbi Anglong Life have invited me so that I can share my story.
Yeah, yes. Definitely. Tell us a little more about yourself, like where you started your first educations and your school name, and of course how many siblings do you have, and actually from where you belong originally from.
Actually, I originally belong from Difu itself. Okay. I was born and brought up at Difu only, and then like my first, I have done my schooling from Calvary Home Academy, and now I have been studying at this one Difu Government College. Yes, and this is my last semester.
Okay.
Yes.
What kind of stream?
Oh, actually, I didn't take any honors. Like I'm doing my past course. Yeah, I took arts. Yes.
Okay. Yes. What is your ambition in life? What do you want to become?
Okay, I want to become a chef actually.
Have you gone through any course in this?
Oh, chef line.
Yeah.
I haven't. But like after my degree, after my graduation, I thought of like joining IHM.
Yes. What is that actually?
IHM is International Hotel Management.
Okay.
Yes.
Which place?
Guwahati.
There is this kind of institution is there in Guwahati.
Yes.
So you're planning for the next move?
Yes. I've been planning because like I love cooking a lot.
Oh.
Yes, and then like when we like cook something tasty, then like when we give it to someone, then when they taste it, they'll be like so happy that's why I like cooking. I don't know, I forgot his name, but he had traveled a lot, and he's been especially in cruise ship, no, as a chef. Okay. Do you want to become like him? Do you want to continue like that, or? Yeah, actually, I want to like travel the world.
Okay.
Yes, I want to be a chef internationally because I love French cuisine. Okay. So I want to learn the French cuisine.
So mentally you are trying to prepare yourself.
Yes.
Okay. So tell us the journey about how you brought up and your hobbies and all.
Okay. So like I've been brought up at Difu itself, and then like my family, like my family are so supportive because whatever I do, they support me. And then my first pageantry was in the year 2019.
Oh.
Yes, and it was, oh my god, it was at this one, Miss KYF.
Oh.
Yes, I participated. That was my first pageantry. And then, yeah, I didn't win, but I got this one, Miss Photogenic, that time.
From there you
Yes,
experienced
yes.
yourself. Okay.
I don't know. Since I was like very young, I really like this one, pageantry. I really love pageantry because the queens, they have like inspired me a lot. You know, people think that pageantry is all about the glitz and glam, no? But it's not. It's not about that. It's all about like how we encourage the youths, how we help the society. It's all about that. That's why I thought, why shouldn't I do it? That's why. But I'm an introvert person. I'm an introvert person, and then like I can't even speak at public. You know, I stammer a lot. But pageantry have changed me a lot. Like I built up my confidence. So many things I have learned from pageantry. That's why I really love pageantry. That's why I want to, like, you know, maybe in the future I want to present Karbi Anglong in maybe national or maybe international platform as well. Yes.
All the best for the future.
Yes, thank you so much.
Actually, who pushed you in this,
pageantry?
Yeah.
Actually,
Who guided you, that means?
oh
Who
no,
support you?
actually no one guided me. It was me, but like my mom, she was very supportive.
Okay.
Yes, because she told me that you should join if you really love it, because it was my passion actually. I really loved it, so that's why my mom always supported me whenever like I participated in any pageantry. She was the one who supported me a lot. Yes.
So tell us more about your sibling. Do you have any brothers? Sisters?
Yeah, I have a sister. Her name is Rachel, and like, yeah, she's also very supportive because like she's not like me. She have a very good speaking skills now, and then like she haven't she doesn't participate in any pageantries, but like whenever like during my Q&A or anything, like, you know, if I want to practice Q&A and all of that, she'll help me. And she's the one who used to help me with all this Q&A and everything. If I did something wrong, then she'll correct me and all the stuff.
I heard a little about her that she's a good writer.
Yes, she's a good writer actually. She's a very good writer. She loves reading novel. Yes. She's a bookworm actually. Yeah.
So where is she studying?
She's studying at this one, Don Bosco Junior College. She's right now she's studying, I guess, first semester. Yes, she is taking English honors.
Oh,
yes.
Only you, two of you?
Yes, only two of us.
You don't have a brother?
No.
Oh. Tell us more about your mom.
My mom.
She's a housewife or doing some government job?
No. She's a housewife.
Okay.
But although she's a housewife, like she supports us a lot. Like even like if we don't have like enough, but she tries her best to like provide everything.
Okay.
She's been my #1 supporter.
Oh, okay, so sweet. Then tell us more about your hobbies. What kind of apart from pageantry, apart from studies, what you love to do?
On my free time, I love to bake. Actually, I love to bake, and I like crochet as well. You know, during this winter time, I bake Christmas cookies. Oh. Yes, I bake Christmas cookies,
from
cakes.
Where did you learn all this? From YouTube or?
Yes, from YouTube.
Okay.
Yes.
So how it tastes? Did you feed someone to test?
Yes. Actually, I even sell it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So how the feedback from the audience? I mean, from the customer.
Oh, from the customers, they say that it's very good because, like, if you buy store-bought cookies, like we used to buy cookies now, they say that it tastes the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell us about the journey. How you come across this Miss Grand Falcon?
Okay. Actually,
it was like a dream to be part of that pageantry, or it was just a coincidence?
No. Actually, in the year 2021, I guess, like I participated for Miss Grand Falcon.
Oh.
Yes, but
Then what happened?
our show was cancelled actually.
Okay. Oh, the show was cancelled.
Yes, the show was cancelled, and then again on the year 2022, I participated again. I went till top 5, but unfortunately, I couldn't win.
Oh.
Yes.
Where did you find the
About Miss Grand Falcon.
Yeah.
Actually, I saw it on Facebook actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and then like I heard it from like Nirmola. Yeah, she participated. No, and the year I guess 2018 or 19, she participated. So like I got inspired from her. Actually,
okay.
Yeah.
So when you first attempt that the show was cancelled, and
Yes.
second you went for it and you came in top 5.
Yeah, I went till top 5.
Then what did you learn from there, and how you came now a second runners up?
Actually,
It was like try karte raho, something like that, or
yeah.
you just want to win,
Yeah.
like a hunger, you know.
Actually, I believe that my motto
Okay.
is like if you follow your passion, it will lead you to success. So this was my passion. That's why I keep on trying. Although like I failed so many times, but yeah, I kept on trying. I never give up. So yeah, today I won second runners up.
Actually, we were really a little bit surprised because you have been a little, taking a gap from pageantry and all fashion.
Yes.
Suddenly, we show you in the Facebook have been crowned a second runner-up. So it was really a surprise.
Yeah.
So why so many gaps, and suddenly you went for it and you got the second runners-up?
Actually, when I took a break, I gained a lot of weight, and yes, I gained a lot of weight, and people told me that you gained a lot of weight and you aren't meant for pageantry. So that's why I wanted to prove them wrong. That's why I tried so much. I tried very hard. I practiced a lot, and that's why I wanted to show them that I can do it. So that's why this year I participated, and then I tried my best. So that's why I got it. Yes.
Did you find any, because the last time also you were only on the top 5. So did you expect something miracles might happen to you when you just first went for the work? Did you just expect that you will win the crown?
No, I didn't, because this year the competition was very tough.
Okay.
All the girls were so talented. To be very honest, they are like so talented. All of them have like their own unique and talent. I was like, oh my God, I don't know how to win, but like I didn't give up on myself. I just kept on trying, and then yes, it was very funny actually my journey, because I was very chill. Because
did your parents or did your friends know about that you're participating in the Miss Grand Falcon?
Yeah, I told them.
Okay.
Yes, I told them because I didn't want to tell anyone actually. But then they announced that you have a subtitle for Miss Multimedia. And then for the Miss Multimedia, we have to, whoever gets the most like, comment and share, then she's gonna win. So that's why like I had to tell everyone about it. Yeah, I didn't want to tell anyone because like what if I fail again? I was very scared actually. Yes, but yeah, I thought choro.
In different part, people, lots of those who go for the fashion week, they complain a lot about the hospitality. And tell us about the Miss Grand Falcon and the committee, how they treat the participants and all.
Actually, our show director Whitney ma'am, she is so kind.
Okay.
Yes, like she take care of us. Like even Neha ma'am, there was Neha ma'am, Hema ma'am, and this one our groomer, can you say? She came all the way from Nagaland.
Okay.
Yes, and
she is the Miss India.
No.
The former.
No,
then?
She is the reigning Miss Northeast.
Okay.
Yes. So our hospitality was very good. They give us lunch and everything. If we get sick, also they'll give us medicine. Yes, they take care of us like we are like.
It was like a family.
Yeah, we were like a part of like a family. They didn't even like let us feel like we weren't at home. it was such a homely environment. Yeah.
After getting this award, how was the feeling inside?
Okay, because when I went, I was literally very shocked because they announced me during the top 5. I was like, when they announced us at backstage, because all the top 5 have to wear a gown and then they have to go on stage. So after the top 10 announcement, they selected the top 5, and then they gave us a gown and everything. And during the top 5 announcement, I was so scared because like I thought that I won't get selected, because some of the other participants, they were also like, they did so great. They did so great. And then during the top 5, it was very tough because all of the other 4 girls, they were like so talented. Yeah, and I was literally scared because I was the only one from Karbi Anglong, and all the all the girls from Karbi Anglong, they came to me and they were like, they were like saying like this. I was like, I literally cried because like I'm the only hope for Karbi Anglong. I was like, that's why I thought I have to give my best, and I did it.
Who was there when you were when you were crowned? When your name was announced as a second runner-up of Miss Grand Falcon, who was there with you at that time, at the moment? Your mom was there?
No.
Then who was
She
there
wasn't.
with you?
No one was there actually.
Oh.
Yeah, no one was there, but
to whom did you share the first news about getting this award?
Actually, my mom called me, but I couldn't pick up the call. So
Okay,
my friend, my friend, she picked up the call and she told my mom that, Britney, she got second runners up, and whatever. My mom was very happy. So I think my mom was the first one to know about it. Yes.
So after getting this crown, you got extra confidence, and you will be preparing yourself more to go.
Yes.
And especially in the international or national. So are you really prepared for this?
Actually, to be very honest, I'm not, because I have to prepare a lot. Because when we go for maybe national pageantry, I mean, the girls are so perfect. They are perfect head to bottom. And then I have to prepare myself because like they are so literally so perfect, because and then even I will be representing Karbi Anglong, isn't it? So I have to make myself representable. I have to be very perfect.
A lot of participants, they just go for it and they don't care about the skin therapy and all this. So is it necessary for all this, especially the facial and all?
When we talk about pageantry, it's all about our inner beauty actually. Yes, but to be very honest, I think it's our own choice if we take care of our skin or not, because like even I personally, I take care of my skin because it's our choice if we want to take care of it, if we want to take care of my skin or not. So I think it doesn't matter. As long as you're pure in heart, then you should go for it.
Yeah. Tell us the difference about the pageantry, the runway and the fashion week.
Okay. So when we talk about runway is all about how you represent the clothes. The clothes you're wearing.
Showcase.
We have to showcase the clothes. But when it comes to pageantry, it's so much more. Pageantry is all about showcasing yourself, like how talented you are, how confident you are, and how you can help the society, and how you can be a leader, how you can give a positive impact to the society. So it's all about that. Pageantry is all about that.
What about a fashion week and all?
Fashion week isn't bad because it's all about showcasing the clothes, na? So I think fashion week is also okay, but I'm more into pageantry. So yeah.
Do we need more to develop? Especially here, we have only 2-3 events organized yearly, annually, like this fashion week. Tell us more about this fashion industry of Karbi Anglong.
About the fashion industry.
Do we have any standard quality or anything like that, or just go for money and all?
To be very honest, I think lots of girls, lots of youths from Karbi Anglong, they want to go further. So I think that if we keep a platform which will benefit the youths, I think that money is something which we shouldn't take from the youths. Yes, because we'll be encouraging our youths now. So and I believe that the youths are someone who can uplift the future, because they are the future, no? So I think that no, money is not important. Yeah. So we shouldn't charge anything. Yeah, like okay, when I went to pageantry, there are registration and everything, but that registration is something which we paid for, no? And I think if it's a certain amount, then I think it's okay. But if it's like some around like 10K or something like that, then I think it's not good.
Yeah. Okay. What would you like to give message to our youngsters, especially the Karbi girls out there, those who are watching this interview?
Okay, I would like to say that always believe in yourself, because me as a person, even I'm an introvert person, and I face lots of challenges, and I couldn't speak up, and I'm still stammering. I'm trying my best, but still, I think you should try your best, and then if you want to do something, then just go for it. If someone is stopping you from your dreams, then just don't listen to them, just go for it. Yes.
Yeah. So sweet of you. And to whom would you like to dedicate this award, especially to your parents or to someone else?
Actually, I want to dedicate this award to my society. It's for Karbi Anglong.
Oh,
yes.
So sweet.
Yes, it's for Karbi Anglong, because every year from Karbi Anglong, someone used to win Miss Grand Falcon, and I'm very honored that this year I won for Karbi Anglong. Yes.
Apart from so many, why I'm saying multi-talented, because at the same time you do makeup, you go for choreographer, at the same time you go for news anchor, and here you are crowned as a Miss Grand Falcon second runner-up. How you manage to do all these things at the same time, and still you are going, studying and doing small petty jobs also, like small petty business also, selling cookies. How you manage yourself? Because this is not a small town now. It's a bigger town before. Yes. And it's all crowded, because all walk of people come here and they do for a living, and they're just trying hard to stay afloat in this town. How you manage yourself?
Actually, when we talk about makeup artists, it's something, it's for myself only, because if it's for my pocket money actually.
Wow.
Yes, because I don't want to trouble my parents.
Oh.
As I'm a grown-up person, I think that I should take care of myself. So that's why I chose as a makeup artist. Because when we go to pageantry, they teach us a basic makeup. So I thought, why shouldn't I just do it for Karbi?
Because lots of girls I have seen that they just rely on others. They rely on their brothers, they rely on their parents, and they don't want to they don't want to leave their comfort zone. But you are setting yourself an example, because you are doing something small part-time business, even studying, and even going for the kill. So before we wind up this program, do you want to say something about your parents?
I'm very thankful that they have raised me up as a strong, independent woman, because if it wasn't for them, then I wouldn't be standing here today. I wouldn't have won this title as well. And then if it wasn't for them, then I wouldn't be this strong today. So I would really thank my parents, because they raised me up as a person who is I'm a person who is like humble and kind to others. So I think it's because of my parents, because of their moral teachers. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for being with us today, and we wish you all the best in every step of your precious life. And your dream is to tour around the world as a chef, and may your dream comes true. We wish you all the best, and thank you for winning this crown for all of us, for the society, for the Karbi Anglong district, because it's like a trend now. Because last time also one Karbi girls won the title, and this time also you.
Yes.
So thank you so much for being with us. Let's see, Pini nitum Karbi Anglong live pen alangli Sami Britney alangli di elitum penangan atum ke Karbi alam alangli Sami Karbi alam tek sitame alam alangli ga biek pen Sami lam ningjiu pen non se alangli ga lam kaningji lam ningji lo pote dak cintang lok titi Sami Karbi alam Sami alangli kaningji sungo titi Sami alangli ningji teko Sami Pini bangareng lok lam pen se alangli pan interview and lo se alangli studio bang kevang pen alangli kai lamo pen alangli journey pen passenger product nang che share thega pot alang litum ingtihem ham tun do an pasamian so se hempur nam ayujume padolo na lapen alang lipan se tame advance merry christmas lo lapen kandu we Karbi Anglong live kelang ara tum pansame advance merry christmas pajirsi tangte litum Karbi Anglong live kelang ara tum pan kardom chipira ton poni kauna.
Oh, first of all, thank you so much for inviting me.
Okay, kardom.